Hi, I just wanted to follow through with my promise to give you a tutorial on how to log into or log on to our two blog sites. These are our two blog sites. We have our 7th grade and our 6th grade one. And the password here is just for people that aren't users. So you can give that to your parents, administrators to see what we're doing. They won't be able to blog, but they can see what we have going on. Our passwords I provided down here. So you'll see that we have quite a number of them, actually. So what you do is you put your name in, just like so, log in as we have a username. And I was trying it out with Mrs. Bennett, and now I will try it out with Rabbi Amanda. And note that there's no space and the caps remain the same. Later on, you'll be able to change your password, and I would encourage you to do that. But then click login. And there you are. You're all logged in. Howdy. I am not going to save your password. Howdy, Rabbi Amanda. And you can see I've already put something up there that you can respond to. And as people respond to it, you'll be able to go ahead and approve those as teachers. But students, you'll have to wait for that right there. Now that's 7th grade. And so if you wanted to log in to the 6th grade one, you can see that I made the 7th grade one first. I just called it Alliance 2019, and then I'm like, oh, I need to make one for the 6th grade. And for the 6th grade, you just do the same. Go over here, type, and I'm going to, I'll make it so you can see it. You can see I'm going to go up top and change it from that to 6th grade. And you can see there, we've done a bit of work, and some of the Hillel students have posted their drinks. Oh, I can see that not just some of the Hillel students. This is great. Wow. You're really running with this. This is terrific. So I look forward to taking a look at this. I can see Alabama is up and running, but we'll see about the rest of y'all. If you have any questions, give me a call. Dave out.